What's up guys, my name is Dugan. I am with EXP Realty here in Nashville. I'm coming to you today with a very special video talking about different programs and different loans for first-time home buyers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can save money when financing a new home and even put no money down to get a mortgage to get that new home that you're looking for as a first-time home buyer. Hey guys, welcome to Lux Nashville here. I am going to do a quick video for you guys. It's actually going to be a new kind of video, different kind of way that I'm going with my videos here. If you don't know, I am a real estate agent here in Nashville. So I'm going to start doing, some educational videos, helping out, providing some value for people around the area, because I know I get a lot of questions all the time about, what kind of loan should I buy? Is there, any help for first-time home buyers in Tennessee? So this video is going to be about, top incentives for first-time home buyers and also different types of loans that we have here in Tennessee. So if you are new here to the channel, please, if you would like to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell too. I will be posting new videos every single week. Also, if you could drop a feedback question that I am going to start doing is, I'll ask a question in my videos. The question is, what type of loan are you guys using to finance your new home, if you're using a loan at all, especially in today's day and age? So guys, today, like I said, we're talking about, the top ways and top incentives for first-time home buyers. So first, I want to go over, the different types of loans that we see in Tennessee. First loan is obviously, I'm sure you guys have heard it a lot, is the conventional loan. So this is done through, Fannie Mac, Freddie Mae. This does come at a 3% down payment, and you do need a minimum of 620 credit score to get this type of loan. The cool thing about this loan actually is that you do have a chance to stop paying the mortgage insurance after a few years once you reach 20% home equity inside of your home that you have recently acquired. So the next loan is, we're getting into the FHA loan. So a lot of these loans, I'm sure you probably have heard a little bit, maybe you don't know too much about it, but FHA loan is, it's backed by, the Federal Housing Administration, hence that's where FHA stands for. This is actually, you need 3.5% down for down payment. And the good part about this loan is that it is a lower credit score that you need to get into it. So this credit score is a minimum of 580. The hook that they get you with a FHA loan is that you do have a MIP, which is a mortgage insurance premium, and you'll have this until you refinance on your loan, or you roll it over, get a new loan, or you pay off your mortgage. Going into the third one here is, a lot of people know this one, the VA loan. So this is awesome for service members and veterans. The cool thing about this loan is, probably one of the best things, is you do not need any money as a down payment. So that is really cool. The credit score is getting back into what a conventional loan would be. So it's a 620 credit score. And you do have no ongoing mortgage insurance down payments required. So that's awesome. This, I would like to agree, is the best mortgage available around the nation right now. If you were eligible, I would definitely apply for this, because it is so cool that you do not need to have a down payment for this kind of loan. Getting into the fourth loan, we're going into more specific Tennessee loans. So this one is the USDA loan, and this is specifically for low to moderate income buying in designated rural areas. This one also comes with a 0 down payment requirement, and this comes with a higher credit score a little bit, just ticking up about 20 points here. So you do need a minimum of 640. And also the other thing about a USDA loan is that it comes with low mortgage insurance rates, which is also really cool. And then coming into the last but not least final loan that we have in Tennessee is the Tennessee Housing development agency loans. So these are you don't see these more too much. This is it may include access to more competitive interest rates and down payment assistance. If you are more interested on the Tennessee Housing Development Agency loans, I will put a link down below here. So the other thing I want to note here for these loan programs, including VHA loans, VA loans, and USDA home loans, is that it does require you to buy a primary residential property. You have to be able to buy, your first home, or this next home you're buying or getting is going to be your primary residence. It can't be a secondary residence. So that means, you can't use these loans for a vacation home or a investment property. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And also the cool thing is most loan programs even let you gift money or do a down payment assistant to cover the down payment and the closing costs. So, if you're eligible to do this, you could possibly get into your new home with, minimum cash out of your pocket, not paying too much up front. So branching into the incentives for the Tennessee residents for first-time home buyers specifically. So the first one is a really cool program that they have here. The first one is called the Great Choice Home Loan Program. So what this program does, it offers buyers a 30-year fixed rate loan option, and this is mostly based on an FHA or a USDA loan. This program is intended for buyers with low to mediate incomes who are purchasing sensible priced homes. So here are the details of what you need to qualify for this type of program. So you would need to be able to pick a lender from actually a specific approved list that they have. I can also drop these links down below. The other requirement is you do need to have a credit score of 640 or higher, and then you will have to undergo a home buyer education course. That is about $99 depending where you do it. And then you also, last but not least, you do need to meet the household income and purchase price limits. These price limits vary by different counties, so make sure you check on the certain county you're looking to buy in to make sure if you can qualify for this type of program. Another cool program that we have for veterans and people in the military is ownership, for the Brave programs. It's called Home Ownership for the Brave. So this is a specialty loan program that can be used for VA loans, and requires, again, 0 down payment, which is really cool. And naturally, these, like I said, are specifically reserved for veterans and service members or serving spouses. Coming in at one of the last programs that I do offer in Tennessee, this one is actually called the THDA loan. So this is, specifically, like I said, for first-time home buyers, and it's actually, another name for it is the Great Choice Plus program. So this is a second mortgage that comes in, 2 varieties. First variety is a deferred loan, and it comes in a amortization loan. I'll break these down into a few different sections. So we'll start with deferred DPA option. And this program actually offers you amounts up to $6,000 towards your down payment and closing costs. This loan actually requires no monthly payments, and it charges 0% interest, which is, really good for the times that we are dealing with right now with, interest rates going up. And, at the end of the 30 years, your loan is forgiven in full, which is kind of cool. However, if you do sell your home or you refinance your mortgage before the 30 years is up, you will have to repay the whole amount. So that is definitely something to keep in mind. And then the second one is amortization DPA option. And with this DPA loan, you can borrow up to actually 6% of the sales price. But the thing about this option is that you have to pay down the loan each month over 14 years. So that's another thing to keep in mind. Unlike the deferred DPA option, is that you do not have no monthly payments and it charges 0% interest. And with this amortization option, you will have to pay the same interest rate that your first mortgage charges. So those are kind of comparing the two there. And touching base on both of those, the DPA you choose, so either the deferred or amortization option, it will likely depend on how much you need to borrow to cover your down payment and obviously the closing costs, and it also might depend on how long you plan to remain in your next home. So recapping the whole video, last kind of parting words: if you do need a lender, my team that I work with, we have a very good lender that will help you out and help you get that loan that you're looking for, or help you build out your credit score. If you are having an issue with your credit score, we'd love to help you get that fixed, because it is the American dream to buy a new home, first time home. So make sure reach out to me. I would love to help you guys in any way possible. If you stayed this long in the video, I'm glad you did. I hope you enjoy. If you could drop some feedback down in the comment section, I would love to hear more about what you guys would like to see. And then on that note, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Kill it this week, stay positive, and I will see you guys later.